What is up, guys? We are back with another weekly breakdown on gold and Bitcoin as well. So let's run over gold real quick. So as you can see over here, we have this area of over here, this area of resistance, which in my opinion is very likely to get broken. And we have this area of support. So as you can see, we're still pretty much on the daily. We are on an uptrend. Yes, we did break this low, but this could be just another retracement, basically another retracement in the overall trend. But in my opinion, just because right now the market is moving higher doesn't mean I would be taking a long. Just because there's no point in chasing this price movement. I can wait for the price to reach, let's say, 2720 over this area over here, 2720, and then I can look for some kind of a break of structure, maybe some kind of a consolidation here, then a break of structure. Then I would look to take a short to the downside like that. That is a way better trade than trying to catch a move over here and then just end up holding a falling knife. In my opinion, that is one of the worst positions you can be in. So that's pretty much it for gold. In my opinion, right now, just wait and see what the market provides. All right. Just wait for the break, wait for a new all-time high, maybe some consolidation, accumulation, distribution, and then when the market breaks structure, maybe we can look for a short, right? That's pretty much it for gold. For BTC, all right, I've got some things drawn out on my chart. Let me clean it up. All right, so actually I'm gonna bring it back. So as you can see, this area over here is pretty much a very strong resistance area. I'm looking to see price reclaim this area and then make a move higher, breaking through these two trend lines because basically everybody's just gonna try to short these. All the retail traders are just gonna try to short these trend lines because they're pretty obvious. And yeah, we're pretty much gonna end up liquidating all these people. All right. I use Fibonacci's and other stuff to determine my entries, especially when we're approaching new all-time highs. But this is just yeah, this is just an overall view of the market. So as you can see, this over here is literally a retest of this area over here. You can clearly see that. So we basically, after this wick, we formed some kind of a lower high, and then we broke this area over here, right? So as you can see, the candle closed below this area over here. Then price pushed up back again, forming a new high, right? We broke through this level. As you can see, this is the candle close. Price came back down, boom, 2 wicks already, and we had a rejection from this level. So this is why this level is super crucial, because once we get a candle close on the weekly above this area, it's a very strong sign or an indication that price does want to push higher, right? All these areas of resistance are pretty much obvious. And if we compare it to the previous cycle, look at this. This is just a consolidation, right? Yes, it's compressing to the downside, but still, this is exactly the kind of setup you want for a new all-time high, because you want most retail traders to be trying to short this thing because it's compressing lower, so it's kind of a trap. So over here, it's a bit different because first we had this peak and then everybody thought, the market just peaked, Then we had this drop, boom, boom. We took their liquidity over here, made a new all-time high, and then everybody was panic buying Bitcoin, saying like crazy shit like Bitcoin is going to 100K in the next 2 weeks. All these crazy, all these crazy statements were popping left and right. But this time it's much different because as you can see, it's compressing to the downside, but there's still so much room to the upside because from 2021 until today, that's like 3 years. And Bitcoin is still like at the same price as 3 years, but the supply has decreased, and we have all these big players coming in into the picture of Bitcoin. You know, have the biggest asset managers in the entire fucking planet are buying Bitcoin. They're accumulating. So, in my opinion, it's just a compression. Market does want to move higher, but first, we may see some kind of liquidity grabs, maybe a wick below these areas back to this area of support, and then a push higher. The best bullish scenario is I want to see it close. A candle close above this level over here, right? Weekly candle close above this level, we can buy Bitcoin higher, right? I'll see you guys in the next week. Have a great day and a blessed Sunday, right? Peace.